Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's painting, we are going to do a night scene in acrylics and we are going to bring out the moonlit effect in this painting. For this particular painting, I am just going to use 4 colors. So it makes this piece quite interesting to paint and finish. Thanks to all my subscribers of the channel, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, I do post video tutorials like this one every single week. So do subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. For this painting, I am going to use a titanium white, Prussian blue, burnt umber and pioneer grey. So only with these 4 colors we are going to finish off the entire painting, and I will show you how you can just use minimum number of colors to get maximum effect. Okay, and I am going to use a flat brush. It's a broad flat brush. This is 37 mm Camlin White Series bristle brush. This I will be using only for the background. And then I'll be using a number 8 round brush, 000 rigger brush, along with my favorite brushes, 2 filbert brushes. One is of size 2 and another is of size 16. All the materials that I have used in this painting are given in the description box below, so have a look at it and you can purchase from those links. I'm not going to do any underlying drawing for this painting. I'm just going to draw from my imagination of the moonlight and the sky. So I'm going to directly begin painting on the canvas. I'm going to use a Prussian blue and a white along with pioneer grey to fill the background entirely. So my paint is still wet, so it's easily getting mixed with the rest of the blues there. So before that dries, we will start adding our moon and the clouds. Now we can go ahead to add the clouds. For the clouds, we will be using the same mixture of Prussian blue, white and pioneer grey. If you are watching my channel for the first time, then I do post video tutorials every single week, so do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button so that you get notified as soon as my videos are out. Now I am going to add little more of stars before we go to the next step. I have linked the other similar acrylic painting tutorials in the card above. You can just click on that and watch it later. There we go. So there we got a very bright moon there. So we'll start to work on the other parts now. So the base has to be burnt umber. You can use any darker brown that you want. If you don't have a dark brown, you can also mix burnt sienna or raw sienna along with the pioneer grey or a black to get the darkest brown. Actually, painting the night sky is very easy. One point that you have to remember is not to go too dark, like using your black to paint the entire sky. So if you do that, your sky may not look natural. So even though it is a night sky, you just keep in mind to use a combination of blues and grays. Okay, so that way it will be a natural transition of your sky in your painting. In the front, I am going to show a big tree here. So we'll use a burnt umber with a grey. Do let me know what is your biggest challenge in painting so that I can make videos around that and post it for you. Now you could go ahead to add highlights to your tree as well. Now I wanted to include animals here. If you want to stop it here, that's very well and fine. I'm going to include a stag, which is one of the biggest deers available. The shape of the stag is very important. If you are not very comfortable, you can do the outline and then you can paint on top of it. No problem with that. If you have any doubts in this particular painting, please leave your comments below. I'll be happy to help you out. So to the below part, we are going to show a lot of grasses there. Antlers are a very interesting feature that we can add to the stag. And some of the deer's antlers can grow very, very long. So it doesn't matter if you keep it longer. And the color of the stag, if you see, it is mostly brown in shade, but they often vary from light to darker browns. Since this is a night painting, we are keeping it to dark brown. Next, we are going to add highlight to the stag. So we'll use a white with a blue. we are done with the painting. Hope you enjoyed the painting. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who will be interested in drawing and painting. Here are some of the popular videos that you can watch. Have a great week. Happy painting.